Adjusting the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 can enhance your gaming experience, especially if you're looking to improve performance. Follow these steps to lower the graphics settings on your PS5. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the home screen of your PS5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Go to Game Presets. Scroll down and select Save Data in Game/App Settings. Then choose Game Presets to access the graphics settings options. Set 3. Select Performance Mode. In the Game Presets menu, you will see options for Performance Mode and Resolution Mode. Choose Performance Mode to prioritize frame rate over graphical fidelity. Step 4. Adjust individual game settings. For specific games, you may need to adjust settings individually. Start the game you want to modify, then look for graphics settings in the game's options menu. Lower settings such as texture quality, shadows, and effects. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes. Restart the game to apply the new settings and check if the performance is improved. By following these steps, you can effectively lower the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.